Have you guys ever felt eye strain after long working hours in front of your screen? Or your workspace lighting never quite hits the right balance? Either it's too dim or it creates a harsh glare on your monitor. That's where monitor light bars come in. These sleek, space-saving light sits right above your screen, casting an even glare-free beam of light across your desk without reflecting off your monitor. They help in reducing eye fatigue, improve focus, and creates a more comfortable working environment, whether you're working on late nights or in the early hours. A good monitor light bar can be a game changer for both your productivity and eye health. Today, we are checking out one such light bar, which is the Blitzwolf BW-CML2 Air. This is the Blitzwolf CML2 Air monitor light bar. This is the light bar which I have purchased from banggood.com, and I'll be leaving the link in the description. You can buy it from that link as well. So this is the model number BW-CML2 Air. This is made in China. These are the different working temperatures. Let's go ahead and open the box package of this and let's install it on our monitor. And also I will tell you what are the importance of monitor light bars. Inside the box we get this user manual and these two stickers in order to install it behind your monitor. So this is the bracket sticker, this is the user manual, this is the installation guide, this is the light bar itself. As you can see, these are the LED lights which is present, and it's made up of good quality plastic. Blitzwolf branding is present over here. You need to install it on the monitor in this way. This is the USB cable which will give the power to this product. So guys, the next step in the process is to make sure that this surface of your monitor is clean. Please use a soft, clean and dry cloth. Wipe this surface of your monitor because this is where the light bar will be attached. The next step of the process is to tear off the adhesive that is given on this metal plate and stick this metal plate on the top of your monitor. As you can see, I have pasted the metal plate with the adhesive side on the top of my monitor so that our light bar can easily be attached to this. Now the next step of the process is to make sure the end of the USB cable is coming through this hole that is present in the bracket. This is the bracket and the wire has to come inside this or through this so that the attachment will be firmly sitting on your monitor. The next step of the process is to use this light bar and just put it on the top of this metal plate which has magnets, and it will attach automatically. As you can see, that's it. Using magnets, it has been automatically attached behind your monitor. Now what we have to do is we have to use the bracket sticker and actually stick it on this surface and put it on the back side of your monitor so that this will firmly sit without falling down. As you can see, the fixed bracket sticker has been attached behind the monitor. Now let's go ahead and plug the USB cable to the USB hub and turn on the light and also start understanding the operations. As you can see, I have made clean cable management and the wire of the light bar is not visible in front of me, and I have tucked in behind that curtain. I've used cable ties to neatly knot it together, and I have attached to this spike buster over here which has the USB port, and just after I turn on this USB port, the monitor light bar will be activated, and with the help of the touch button that is present on the light bar, I will be able to turn off and turn on the monitor light as and when I need. This is how the monitor light bar looks when you are using it in the night time. You will not need to turn on the tube light or LED light of the entire room and disturb others if they are staying with you. This is also helpful for your eye. Now that the monitor light bar is turned on and it is perfectly sitting on our monitor, let's understand the operation of it and how do we use this monitor light bar. To start with, this has touch functions. One tap and this turns on. One tap will enable the color changes. As you can see, the color of the light bar is changing with just one tap. With one tap, the colors are getting changed. This is how we do. Full white is a mix of yellow and white. Again, a mixture. This is full yellow and this is full white. Long press on this, increase and decrease the light intensity. As you can see, it is fully less now. And again, I'll click on it and long press. As you can see, it is at the highest levels. I have been using the Blitzwolf monitor light bar for a couple of weeks now, and I have enjoyed using this product. You don't feel the need of this product until you use it. It's that kind of a gadget. Customize your lighting within the 5 adjustable color temperatures ranging from 2700 Kelvin to 6800 Kelvin. The cool light being the 6800 Kelvin range, perfect for focused working sessions. Mixed light, which is 5500 Kelvin, ideal for reading and general tasks. And warm light at 2700 Kelvin creates a relaxing ambience for winding down or in the night time. With a brightness range of 300 to 1000 lux, you can fine-tune the illumination to suit your environment. It helps in reducing eye strain and enhancing the visual comfort. Its asymmetric forward projecting design ensures that the light is directed onto your desk and effectively eliminates the glare and reflections. This light bar also incorporates blue light filtering technology, safeguarding your eyes from potential strain for prolonged usage, which is common in these days. Operating gestures of the light bar are effortless with intuitive touch controls. A single tap to turn on, double tap to turn off, short press for switching color temperatures, long press for adjusting the brightness values. Powered via USB, it is compatible with computers, power banks, USB adapters, and many other USB hubs, which makes this versatile for various setups. The installation of this light bar is also a breeze with its magnetic fixing design, suitable for monitors with a thickness of 15 to 25 millimeters. If you have followed the instructions that I have given in the start of this video, you will be able to install this light bar easily on your monitors. This also has a memory function which recalls your last used settings, ensuring a seamless experience every time you power it on. There are a couple of things which I did not actually like about this. The power source could have been USB Type-C, since most of the devices are now switching over to USB Type-C. And the build quality of the light bar itself could have been better, as the light panel has certain creaking sounds when you touch, making it feel a little bit delicate. Apart from these two caveats, this product has been very good. I have put the link for this product in the description. If you want to buy it, you can buy from that link. That's it for this video, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.